Okay guys, it's me, Rain, and Sabi. We're gonna play dodgeball.
Hey, kumusta?
Oh! Catch Rain. Sorry, I got tired. Can you get it for me? Please, get it for me. I quit stir. That's it to me. Yeah. What's that Rain? Rain, they're not showing you.
No.
They're not showing you, Rain. So I'm doing like this. Yan. Ay! Tapos, na-judge ako. Turn on lights. No, volleyball. Dodgeball. Volleyball. Please. Not volleyball. I'm gonna show my hard
Oh,
work.
volleyball da. Volleyball da.
I'm not so good at volleyball.
Oh, you can beat everybody.
Ito no.
Sabi na.
Sabi, I'm gonna... Let's go, Rain. I'm gonna see you. Let's go. And then that's how... First you throw the ball. And second, do this and do that. Sige na, I'll change another one. Guys, I change another one ha. Dapat it's to speed ano. Okay, let's play basketball. What? Let's play basketball.
Assignment si Hook.
It's okay lang yan kung walang hook.
Asan na yung bulong sa?
Hey, just shoot at the phone.
Ang dami ko.
Hey, please, volleyball. Hey, volleyball.
Sabi, let's play volleyball.
Here.
Let's play volleyball.
Basketball.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors.
No.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, no. Rock, paper, scissors. Me. If I win.
Pilito kaya araw bumaba ka lang.
Don't bring. Ano yung karano? Ano? Japan by winner.
Oh, 3 points is the win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stop! Oh, I got you. I got paper. But, hey, you got scissors and you're done already.
Okay.
It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got you.
2 points. 1 point. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God. I got you.
Are you ready, Debbie? If Debbie wins volleyball, if you win basketball.
Oh, I got you. Let's go. One more card, okay? Take that. It's a tie. I got 2 points, eh? It's a tie. Again. Only 3 or 4. Go near so that they will see you and me. Come. The scissors. Oh! It's late. Tigatarak. It's late. No ching. That's the rule. Join me again. 1, 2, 3. I got you.
No, without Debbie. So that we can you basketball. Oh, you're cheating. You are.
I just did paper.
She says cheating.
Said no. No.
No, play na. Oops!
I just did this. Wala.
Napla yung rin yung suplak.
Oh, I got you. It's got you again. No! Maybe because of my brain. Hey, it's already 6 long.
some really 6 o'clock.
You're
Get inside, inside.
Sige, let's go. Guys, let's go. Guys,
Ano, pwede akong Pepsi net? Pwede na mo dito ng mahal ako.
what do you want to do? Play Frank's tablet? No, I want to play volleyball here.
Can I play with
That
this
is a
Abby?
basket. I want to show your basketball skills. I'll give you the volleyball.
Fighting.
That's us. I'll give you.
It's okay.
Seven, see? Oh, that's the volleyball. That's the basketball. Where? Give it to me, sir. Basketball. Okay, sige. Good, sir. Boys are basketball, girls are volleyball. Sige, sir.
No. No, boys and girls can play both.
Yes, but that's my rule. Daddy. Sir, come, try.
Give it. Push mo sa.
Oh, sir. Yeah.
And then,
Oh, I did it.
Dapat
Dapat powerful daw. Sige. Oh, get it. No. Uy, sorry. Abay, sir. Bastos ang gawa. Sir, what shall we do to my ate? Very, very bad. Very bad. Bye, sir.
Come here, Tara. I will teach you.
Guys, just look at them. Look at them.
Hey, pupunta yan sa tubig. Sige ka.
See? Here.
Sige na, be.
Go.
Para. Sige, Ben.
So many leaves.
Paluin mo, be. Paluin mo. Yan! Sige. Palo. Ay, sorry, ang taas, be. Ang taas.
Malugad. Yan, ganoon, para makita. Hey, tayo, matamaan ka ba yan? Sam, play basketball. That's not how you play.
Let's play basketball.
Let's play volleyball. I got it.
Box out yun! Box out yun! Ganun yung box out.
Katya! Sam, that's mine, that's mine.
Babalik ko ako mamaya yung dinner.
Bye, guys!
Bukas naman ako mag-volleyball.
Bye, guys! Bye!
Big na.
Bye! Bye na nga! Bye na nga!
Let's play
Basketball. Sige. Do not shoot in here or here. Shoot lang in the ball. Oh, in the phone. It's okay if it's 6 o'clock. We're allowed to play. Ay, tapos!
Hey, hey.
Papa Nil said no. What are we gonna do then?
I don't know.
Ask him. Ask. Oh. Rain. Watch me, Rain. Vlog me so that I have lots of views. So that when it's respect, it's popular. Papa Nico. Ano magawa kung hindi ma-allow mag-play ko?
Bukas na.
Bukas?
Kasi gabi na.
Paano yun, Rain?
Bukas
Ano yan?
Umaga. 6 o'clock.
Paano yan, Rain?
Kabila.
You said ask politely so that Papa Len will allow you. Oh, it's not work.
Oh, sige, ay ano yung pa-continue, yung same by ko doon.